When searching for the ultimate gaming headset, you're going to be presented with thousands of options and all these articles saying this one's the best or this one's better than that one. In my opinion, the ultimate gaming headset has to be comfortable, but also sound perfect and also have a good boom microphone. But more often than not, you'll find they may be comfortable and sound good, but the microphone is garbage, or the other way around. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to build the ultimate gaming headset yourself by combining your favorite set of studio cans and a professional boom microphone. Let's talk about it.
Nico knows tech, all your tech tips and reviews on deck. Nico knows tech, #1 channel with the news on check.
Now the microphones I'm talking about are the Antlion ModMic Uni 2 and the USB 2. They're the same exact microphone except they have different connections depending on your needs. There's the Uni 2 which is 3.5mm and the USB 2 is obviously USB. What they are is professional level boom microphones that'll attach to any headphone, turning that headphone into a headset. Now some of you guys may be thinking that maybe the boom microphone is not a big deal. Well, maybe it isn't for you. Maybe you're not on Discord a lot. Maybe you're not streaming. Maybe communication is not mission critical. But wait till you hear how bad it can be.
Now you're listening to the audio of the Rig 800 HD's boom microphone, which I think is a missed opportunity.
Now compare it with the ModMic by Antlion. You tell me. Now I have both of the Antlion ModMics in front of me here, and there's some subtle differences between the Uni 2 and the USB 2. First off, the outside of the case is more like a leather hard case, and on this side it's still a hard case on the USB, except it's more of a sporty mesh material, so it kind of feels kind of cool. On the inside, same thing, you get your mic, and then our accessories, which we're going to go over shortly, our manuals. But on the mute, the inline mute on the USB is a push button because obviously it's digital with USB and it's powered. On the analog model that's 3.5mm, we have a switch for muting inline. The accessories included with each ModMic are first a magnet, and this will attach to the headset and will allow us to stick our ModMic on there nice and securely. And this is a rare earth magnet, which is very strong. It's not going to fall off. It doesn't wobble, and I'll show you. On the back is a 3M adhesive pad, and this will make it securely onto the headset. Also included are these little clasps. These are for wrapping the line of your wired headset to the ModMic wire so that you don't have two wires going all over the place and getting tangled up. And there's 4 of those with each ModMic. Now, if you're worried about this pad being used up, or if you want to switch to another headset, it comes with extra pads in the bag here, and you can also get more of these magnets and more of these pads through Antlion's website or even on Amazon, and for a whole pack of them it's like $6, and I buy those regularly because I change my mind on where I want my ModMic. Also an alcohol prep pad to prepare the headset surface for us to attach this securely. Now the headphone I'm going to use to make the ultimate gaming headset today is going to be the Ultrasone Pro 480i. This is actually part of a bundle through Antlion. You can get this plus a ModMic for $160 or so. But you can check the link in the description for the latest prices. It may be a slightly different price for the USB model, but definitely for the Uni 2, the the 3.5mm using today is around $160 for this professional set of headphones, which this can run anywhere from $100 to $150 depending on where you get it. And it's hard to kind of get this one in the US because it's made in Germany and it doesn't have a huge market in the US. But anyway, I like this headset. I tested it out the last 4 days and I'm very impressed with it. It is a professional studio headphone, very high fidelity, low distortion, surprisingly wide soundstage, which is particularly good for 3D audio surround sound because you don't want everything sounding like it's inside your head. It's very durable, built really strong. Ear pads are very durable. These are going to last a while. I would like something a little bit softer, but that's my preference. If it really starts to bother me, I can get third-party pads for these and just put them on, no problem. A lot of padding on the top, which is really important. Overall, the way they feel is very similar to Sennheiser HD 280 Pros, if you're familiar with those. So really similar to how they feel as far as comfort-wise. A bit of clamping force and really good isolation. So if you have a lot of background noise, you're really good. They also fold up. And anyway, once you've selected your headphone, if you don't want to get these, you can pick your favorite set of studio cans or your favorite set of headphones. In my opinion, studio headphones are the best because you want a lot of detail and resolution to hear footsteps, and resolution is very important. These are very high resolution headphones. They sound really fun. They have good bass without being dull. I was really impressed with these. So I've been listening to music with them for the last 3 days just for fun because they're so good. And today I'm going to be gaming with them. And I think I'm going to get a competitive advantage, particularly in Tarkov, due to them having great detail. Now, in order to attach the ModMic to the headset, you want to have an idea where you want to select, where you want to install it. Since the cable on this one is on the left side, I'm going to put it on the left side because I want the cable to be running alongside it and out of the way, so I have basically one cable out of the two. So what we need to do is we need to attach this where we want it there. But see, this is kind of positional. It has these little hex marks to keep the microphone from going up and down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the ModMic first, and it's a very strong magnet. It doesn't want to come off. Very strong, like I said. But before we do that, we want to use our alcohol prep pad and clean the surface area so we get a good stick. Just a little alcohol prep pad. And just clean off this surface area real quick. You don't have to go crazy with it, but you want it clean. You don't want a whole bunch of grease marks there. And then once it dries, I'm going to leave it there for a second. And then I'm going to choose the angle I want. Now, I already know when to do it. One thing I recommend to you guys, if you don't know exactly where it should go, put it on your head first and then kind of decide where it should go like this before removing that strip right there. I already know where this is going to go, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that protective strip there. And I'm going to attach it right on the P here. I'm going to angle it slightly down, and then I'm going to go ahead and press it into position. It doesn't take a lot of strength, but I do it anyway. And then it's permanently on there. Now that it's installed, I can actually flip it up and down if I want. It's still magnetized, it's very strong. I can flip it down, I can flip it back up, so I can get it out of my way if I want, but I have it in position. The last thing we need to do is just some cable management to make this look nice and be more manageable. So we're going to use these clasps that I mentioned earlier, and we're going to attach them. There's two little holes in here. One goes in the big one goes in the small one. The small one will be your Antlion mic since it's small. The big one we'll put around the headphone cable, and then I can tuck away the ModMic line here. And then once I have all four, it will be one single cable all the way down. And on the ModMic, it comes with this little Velcro strap. So the ModMic in this case, the cable on these headphones is actually really short. It's like 3 feet long, which I actually like because most professional headphones are extremely long cables. I'm just going to make this nice and together using the clasps all the way down, and then I'll shorten the cable as need be with the Velcro strap. Now that I've cable managed the entire cable, I have one singular cable for my headset, and it terminates down to where I have one for the headphone and then one for the microphone port. And now I have the ultimate gaming headset. I have a professional studio headphone with a professional boom microphone, and it's all in one cable, and I've done it for $160. When you compare that with what's available out in the market for the best gaming headphones, they can exceed $300, and then maybe the microphone's not so good, the headphone isn't perfect in every way. In my opinion, the best headphone for gaming is going to be a really good driver, and in that case, you need to go to at least studio quality. There's a few gaming headsets which are all right, but even then, the microphones aren't great. In my opinion, the microphone sounds as good as the Shure headsets that are worn on stage by motivational speakers and a lot of live venues. I've used a lot of them, and it sounds very similar. And congratulations on making it to the end of the video. I hope you found this video guide and review helpful. If you'd like to pick up this bundle, you can get it at the link in description. You can also get just the ModMic and create a bundle of your own. I hope you found this helpful. If you like it, please click like and consider subscribing. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I shall see you next time.